workshop project goes tremendously wrong.
Where's the sweepy thing? Where's the sweepy thing? That's the first one complete, isn't it? Yeah. I'll knock up another one of them. It should take me less than the first one, which was 2.5 hours. I'll time myself on this one. Yeah. This is a continuity error. Just can't seem to get a rhythm up today. Hello? So, my revised calculations also tell me that I've got to cut them again. So they're 3.51 to allow for the non-imperial sheets. Let's get on with it. I might be able to use a really dramatic thumbnail on this one.
Workshop project goes tremendously wrong. Disaster in the back garden. Workshop falls apart even before it's up.
Let's do some calculations here. Times 2 equals by 1.2. That's 3.5 pieces. Eh? 3.5 pieces. So 3.5 of those sheets. That means I'll have to buy one more. Is that right? No. I've got 6 pieces. Hold on. How long is this going to be? This does happen to me a lot when I'm on a project and I just get mind fog and I can't do the rest of it until it's cleared. So I kind of need to sit here, stare at this book, stare at the word, maybe do a couple of sums on here until I can figure it out. So then if that's, we've got 1.2 here, 4, 5, and we've got a spare bit left over. Have I got 6 pieces? Why don't I know this? I should know how many I've got left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. Right, I've hit another snag. And probably because I haven't planned it out. Lesson number 1. Plan out your build, otherwise you end up staring at wood for prolonged amounts of time, not doing anything with it. Right, if you're ever doing a project, just write it down. Otherwise you get brain ache while you're doing it. I'll figure this out. Right, so I figured it out. So I've had a bit of a rethink. Now it's always best to check your measurements, especially if you haven't written them down or designed anything on paper. And if you like to work straight from your brain, just double check measurements. Not working. No. Do. Yes, I'm going to make them smaller. Oh, it's hard stuff, this thinking about how you're going to build it. So, yeah. I've got 10 12-foot or 3.6 metre timbers. Have I got enough to do the roof the way I want to do it? Oh, this is a massive oversight. I think I can do this. Just about. It's going to be tight. It's going to be tight, but I can do it. Cool, I've cut this fine with the wood, I tell you.